Hello, welcome to my Balaku Education YouTube channel. Myself Pradeep. Today we will prepare a royalty chart on strike. Let's start a problem on royalty. It was asked in the year 2017, Rani Channamma University. Navin Company Limited to combine on lease from Prakash at a royalty of rupees 1.5 per ton of coal raised with a minimum rent of rupees 20,000 per annum. Each year's excess of minimum rent over the royalties is recoverable out of the royalties of the next 3 years. In the event of a strike in any years, the lease provides for proportionate reduction of minimum rent for the year. Amount are to be settled every year on 31st December. The annual output of the first 5 years is as follows. Year column and output in tons column. 2012 it was 800 tons. 2013 it was 10,000. 2014 it is 12,000. In the year 2015 20,000 tons. And in the year of 2016 the strike for 3 months. In the year 2016 800 tons. It was asked for 15 marks, so we will today only we will prepare a royalty payable chart. Here once again go to the problem. The Navin Izana company took a mine on lease from Prakash. Okay, Mr. Prakash is a lessor. Here the Mr. Navin is a lessee. So the royalty which is payable by Navin to Mr. Prakash is 1.50 per ton, and the minimum rent which was agreed during the year is 20,000, because if any short working happens during the year, the whatever loss going to happen in a year, the Mr. Prakash is payable to Mr. Navin. So it was fixed rupees 20,000. The minimum rent which was or guaranteed amount which was fixed by the lessee to lessee, because if any loss happen in the during the year, I am going to pay rupees 20,000. Each year's excess, the minimum rent which is recoverable in the next 3 years. In the next 3 years, in the event of strike, the problem here it will give you some authority for the collection for the reduction for the minimum rent. If in the event of the strike, the reduction of minimum rent for the year. Okay, let's start with the preparation of royalty chart. Royalty chart. The royalty payable chart. First column is year column. Second one is output in tons. Third one is minimum rent, and next one is short workings column. In that deficit, recovery, irrecovery, and the last one is amount payable to landlord. The first year 2012, second 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 in year column. The output which was given in the problem is rupees 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 20,000, 8,000. So 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 20,000, 8,000. The royalty at rupees 1.50. 8,000 tons into 1.50, 12,000, 10,000 into 1.50, 15,000, 12,000 into 1.50, 18,000, 20,000 into 1.50, rupees 30,000, 8,000 tons into rupees 1.50, 12,000 rupees. The royalty which is earned during the year. And the minimum rent which was fixed in the agreement, that is 20,000 in the all the year. But in the year of strike, there is a slight change. We will see later on that. Okay, 20,000 which was fixed in the 2012, 20,000 for 13, 20,000 for 14, 20,000 for 15. Okay, let's start with the preparation. In the year 2012, the royalty is less than the minimum rent. Royalty is less than the minimum rent of rupees 8,000. Less than the minimum rent of rupees 8,000. There is no recovery, there is no irrecovery. The amount payable to landlord is rupees 20,000 because the royalty is less than the minimum rent. So the minimum rent will be payable to landlord. So payable is 20,000. The amount payable to landlord is in the first year is 20,000. In the year of 2013, the royalty which is less than the minimum rent. So again the royalty which is less than the minimum rent of rupees 5,000. Of rupees 5,000. There is no recovery. There is no irrecovery. Amount payable to landlord is rupees 20,000 because the royalty which is earned during the year is less than the minimum rent. So minimum rent will be payable to landlord. In the year 2014, here also the minimum rent, here also a royalty is less than the minimum rent. So the difference between two is short working. The deficit amount which is 2,000, there is no recovery, there is no irrecovery because the time period was given in the problem is next 3 years. The 2,000, the amount payable to landlord is rupees 20,000 because here is also same. The minimum rent, the royalty which is less than the minimum rent, so minimum rent will be payable to landlord because the lessee is agreed to pay the minimum rent if in case the royalty is less than the minimum rent. So in the year 2015, the royalty which is more than the minimum rent of rupees 10,000, more than the minimum rent of rupees 10,000. In the problem, what they say that the amount which is the excess, if in case any short working which will be recovered in the next 3 years, next 3 years only, next 3 years. Out of next 3 years, in the year of 2012, which will be recovered in the year 2015. So out of 2015, we out of 10,000, we recovered total amount of rupees 8,000. Total amount of rupees 8,000 out of 10,000. Out of 10,000, whole amount will be recovered here. The remaining, out of only we recovered 8,000, the remaining 2,000 which will be recovered, which can be adjustable in the next year. Out of 5,000, here we recovered 2,000. Total amount recovered in the year is 10,000. Total amount recovered in the year is 10,000. So amount payable to landlord is 20,000. Amount payable to landlord is 20,000 because there is no recovery, there is no deficit. The amount payable to landlord is 20,000 because the royalty is more than the minimum rent. But out of 30,000 we recovered 10,000. Out of 30,000 we recovered 10,000. The remaining 20,000 will be payable to landlord. Okay. In the event of strike, the proportionate minimum rent of rupees 20,000 which will be reduced. How to calculate? The working note calculation for calculation of a minimum rent. Minimum rent of 2016 year. Fixed minimum rent which was given in the problem is 20,000. Here 20,000 and less strike for 3 months. 20,000 into 3 months of strike and total number of months in the year is 12 is equal to 5,000. 12,000 minus 5,000 is 15,000, which is minimum rent in the event of strike. There is another method for the calculation of minimum rent is 20,000 into 9 divided by 12. The 9 is come from here, the 12 months in a year against the 3 months which was strike. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 months. 9 months is a working day in a working months in a year. So the 9 divided by 12 out of year is 15,000. Here also same. Here also same. The second method is the simple. Whatever you choose, that is the same. In case here is also answer is same. Here is also the answer is same. So write it here. Of rupees 15,000. Of rupees 15,000. The strike here we calculated this amount 12,000. Here in the year 2012, the royalty which is less than the minimum rent of rupees 3,000. The royalty which is less than the minimum rent of rupees 3,000, that will be treated as a deficit. There is no recovery. There is no irrecovery. Amount payable to landlord is rupees 15,000. Amount payable to landlord is rupees 15,000 because the royalty is less than the minimum rent. So the 15,000 will be payable. 15,000 will be payable. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Please share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the further videos. Thanks to one and all.